Hello friends, you are watching RKDJ Sipa Ibrahimabad and I welcome to you all. Friends, do you know about stock and marketing? If you didn't know, means you nothing know. Because modern time is fully digital and day by day everything going digitalized. In upcoming future everything will be online. At this time some people facing problem because they have not proper knowledge about digital like as such as mobile internet etc. That's why they facing problem. But day by day upcoming generation like as me and you know very well about online system. That's why I'm saying that we should not wonder in find out a job because I trapped 2 times in Delhi because Delhi is more than if suppose that if um, five five company or office offer for job but cheaters more than offers 100 means total job number 105, original is only 5 and fake is 100. Many boys and girls trapped in fake institute. After taking interview they will ask for money. After giving money you will lost your money and also job. That's why I'm saying that be professional, create your own job because on job is totally based on us. Whenever you need to do, whenever you need to take a rest without any pressure, without any under pressure. It's up to you whenever you want to start. But before starting stock and marketing, you should have knowledge. You must have knowledge about it. Before starting any business or anything, you must have proper knowledge about it. Stock and marketing is quite risky. If you does not have any proper knowledge, I'm sure that you will lost your fully capital. Your capital 100% you will lost. I have lost many times, but I learn every time. Whenever I lost my money, I learn each time that I did this, that's why I lost my money. So again and again I I would lost मीन्स मतलब कि मैं अपना मनी जो है लॉस्ट करके करता गया, लेकिन एवरी टाइम आई लर्न दैट वाई आई लॉस्ट माई मनी. सो रूल इज रूल. I learn step by step and each time by doing my faulty. Stock marketing is a India largest marketing where every company and each bank share are available. All bank share is included in Bank Nifty and auto sector, two-wheeler, four-wheeler, etc. Bank Nifty, Nifty 50, and other is the Sensex. So it's fully digital. You don't have to buy any physical glossary or anything. No, you just need to trade 9:50 a.m. 9:15 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. and your profit and loss you will get within a day. You can also buy for a long time as a delivery. That is not also physical, that is also digital. You can hold it for 1 year, 2 year, or more than until you want. So I want that you create your own job, own business that will make you happy. No sir pressure, no boss pressure upon you, nor customer queries. And this market run Monday to Thursday, no, Friday, Monday to Friday, every day. You can buy any company's share on the low price, and whenever the price gains, you can sell it. You will get profit. So before investing stock and marketing, you must have proper knowledge about it, because if you don't have any knowledge about stock and marketing, I'm sure that you will lose your capital 100%. So you should also keep in mind that there is a job which is without under pressure, but you have to learn. This business is for everyone. Most of American people trading in forex market. Forex market is an international market, इंटरनेशनल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज होता है, एंड BSE बॉम्बे स्टॉक एक्सचेंज, और एक होता है NSE और BSE, नेशनल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज एंड NSE बॉम्बे स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. You can also trade in forex market, where international money required, like as GDP, dollar, euro. Before trade in forex market, first you need to trade in your own country market, BSE and NSE. So for trading in stock marketing, you must have a Demat account. There are many brokers in India, such as Zerodha, Angel Broking, Sharekhan, but I prefer Zerodha. Zerodha is the best, and it has lots of customer. So thank you watching my video. If you are new here at my channel, please like, share and subscribe, and keep continue. I will send each day my profit and loss post. You will see here, and if you want to join with me, then I will not give any type of lesson you, but I will share some YouTube channels which are genuine and also provides knowledge. You have only learn here, not to practice. Practice is by own self. Because if you claim that I learn here and I will lost my money, it's not fair. It's not fair. So you will only learn here, and